Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we are about to go back down to the swamp with the boat since this water's still high, and so we can get ourselves a deer. Hope y'all enjoy. Six feet, 7 feet. See that camera right in front of you? Yeah. Grab it when I get close to this tree. Alright, you're good. Working like a charm now.
I see him.
Yep. Alright, you're good here.
Okay.
That's a good size deer. That's a big deer for down here. I hit him right in the shoulder, right where I was aiming.
Good.
Yep. That is awesome. That is the first buck I've killed in like 4 years, and that is a great one to kill. I'm super stoked about that. Haven't seen on any of my cameras, anything like that. It just happened to be here and in the middle of the day at that, so I'm super stoked right now. I was super excited earlier, and I still am super excited now, but I want to explain the cluster of events that took place before I shot that deer. When we first got into that shooting house, there was only one chair, so I let Olivia sit in it, and I sat on the floor. Well, I thought I heard something coming up from behind us, and the good thing is when that water's super high like it is, and it's really muddy from where those hogs have been rooting, you can usually hear footsteps taking place behind you and get a little bit extra warning you usually wouldn't have. So as I heard those footsteps approaching, I was literally just sitting on the floor of that shooting house. I had to get up on my knees, and I started looking out behind us a little bit. And sure enough, there was some horns, and I saw that it was headed towards the patch, so I just jumped up real slowly, got my gun up in the window, and I took the shot on my knees. I had no time to prepare for the shot. I just had enough time to turn my GoPro on, and that was it. So I went ahead, shot that deer, and great shot. I mean, down within a few seconds, a few yards from the patch. That was it. So super exciting afternoon today. Now, I know the video was sideways, and I apologize. There was no other way to mount the camera in that particular stand. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.